Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add awesome hover effects in Wix Studio, a quick guide that'll help you make your website feel more dynamic and interactive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take any element in your Wix site, like buttons, text, images, or repeaters, and give it a cool hover animation that responds to your visitors in real time. This is a simple way to make your website not just look good, but feel lively and engaging. So, let's dive right in. First up, we're going to start by adding a section to our page. In Wix Studio, sections are like building blocks. They help break up your content and keep things organized. Just click on Add and then select Section to pop a new one onto your canvas. I always recommend adding a fresh section when you're experimenting with new effects so everything stays tidy and you have space to play around. This also makes it easier to tweak or remove things later if you change your mind. Once you've got your section, we'll head back to Add Element. You'll notice that you can try hover effects on pretty much anything, from buttons and text to images and boxes. Today, though, I want to demonstrate using a repeater. Repeaters are super useful in Wix. They're like strips that repeat a pattern, perfect for portfolios, product listings, or teams. To grab one, go to All Elements, then scroll down and select Repeater. You'll see 3 blank columns show up. That's your default layout, and it's a perfect starting template. Now, with your repeater in place, let's sprinkle in some content. Click inside each column and add an image to them. You can use stock photos, upload your own graphics, or just drag in placeholders if you're prototyping. I like adding images when demonstrating hover effects because the difference really stands out. Viewers can clearly see the animations happening visually on mouse over. Now comes the magic moment, giving your repeater items a hover effect. To do that, click on the repeater to select it. Head to the Animation and Effects panel and find Hover. Hover effects are designed to add interactivity. They give viewers subtle feedback that something's clickable or highlight important content. It transforms a static site into something more responsive, which is great for UX. When you click Add Hover, you'll see that a whole menu of options pop up. There's Expand, Shrink, Skew, and quite a few others, all with their own vibe. For this demo, let's just pick Expand. You can always come back and try others, but Expand is a classic. It gives that gentle pop effect when someone hovers over your image, kind of like the image is greeting your visitors. Take a moment to preview different settings, like the speed or intensity, until it matches the feel you want for your site. Once you're happy with the hover effect, it's really important to test it out. Hit the Preview button in Wix Studio to see your changes in action. Move your mouse over each image in the repeater and watch the effect trigger. If something doesn't look right, or say it feels too dramatic, don't worry. Just jump back into the settings and fine-tune it. That's the beauty of Wix. You can tweak as much as you need until it feels just right. And there you go. You've successfully added a hover effect to your repeater in Wix Studio. Remember, you can apply hover to almost any element, so feel free to experiment with buttons or text to make your whole site pop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another Wix Studio tip or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.